In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about Zapier automation ideas for your business or whatever you're doing. So what I'd recommend using Zapier for is automating repetitive tasks. So think about repetitive tasks in your daily life, your business, whatever it may be. Think about what you have to do over and over again, which is time consuming and which is very easy and repetitive. So let's say every single day you need to transfer some words from a document into a spreadsheet. This would be something you could easily automate with Zapier. And the way you do this is you create new and trigger. So what is the first thing you want to do? So let's say Discord. When someone messages, that's going to be your trigger. You can select the channels here. Okay, so now what do you want it to do? Well, let's say you want to put this into a spreadsheet. You could go Google Sheets and you could put create red spreadsheet row. So you could every time you get a new user, you could put it into a spreadsheet. Now, the main way to use Zapier is just to think what in your life can be automated to be easier. It's not going to be a tool which gives you new ideas. It's mostly to automate and personalize and save you time. So yeah, think of it like that way and you'll come up with lots of ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below that you found it useful. Thank you for watching.